Hello, this video will show you how to use Canva to create stunning videos to build out your Fiverr portfolio. Hey, my name is Susan Fouché, and welcome to my channel that helps Fiverr sellers increase their income. I am a top-rated Fiverr seller, and my method for earning more money on Fiverr is called the 6 steps. It's called the 6 steps to 6 figures on Fiverr. And if you'd like to watch a comprehensive video detailing these steps, then just click the link above, or there's a link in the description that you can click whenever you're ready. So in this video, I'm going to cover the first of the 6 steps to 6 figures, and that is samples. So one of the ways to show off the work that you can provide to potential clients on Fiverr is by building out your Fiverr portfolio. So I'm going to show you what you can put in your portfolio to increase your chances of making more sales. And then I'm going to show you also a really great way to use Canva to add videos to your portfolio. So let's go. Okay, so I am going to show you how to add things to your portfolio, but I want to give you a really great example of what a portfolio looks like. So here is the seller that I've actually showcased before because he does a great job, and I just want to show you what his portfolio looks like. The portfolio is down here, and if I'm looking at it from the perspective of a customer wanting to buy this service, I just simply scroll down and I can see, whoa, he's got like 14 different projects in his portfolio. They're all videos. This looks great, and it's just another way for a potential client to understand the type of work you can do that will help them. So let me show you how to get to your portfolio. On your main profile page that has all of your gigs is where you want to be. If you're not sure how to get here, just click on your little face on the upper right hand corner, go to profile, and that will get you there. Then once you're in here, you're just going to scroll down. And here is where your portfolio is. So to add a project, you're just simply going to click on the little plus, add a project. And you're able to type in your project title, which is just a description of exactly what this is. Now, I do say that it's really good to have sort of an industry specific title. So for example, if you edit YouTube videos, you could say this is a talking head video example. Or if you're like me and you do voiceover, it could be a medical e-learning sample, and then just write a little short description about your work. It could be, this is a voiceover that I recorded for this particular client, or this is a video that I created for this particular client, whatever you want to. And then just pick your category. So for me, music and audio is where I go because I'm a voice actor, and then subcategory would be voiceover or whatever, The types of documents that you can put, the types of files that you can put in your portfolio, as you can see, JPEG, JPG, a PNG, a GIF, however we say it. So in other words, you can put in pictures, images, especially if you do logo design, if you do any kind of graphics, this is a great place to, really max it out, stuff that you're really proud of. You can also put in MP4s and AVI. So in other words, videos or images. However, you cannot put in an MP3. So you can't put in a WAV file or any kind of audio file. So if you do DJ drops, you do a podcast intro, outros, you do anything that's involving audio, voiceover, whatever, and you want to add it to your portfolio, how do you do that? Well, you just simply make a video out of it, and you can do that a number of ways, but I'm going to show you how to do a free way in Canva to make a stunning video of your work and be able to put it into Fiverr. If that is, you don't have any videos yet. As you're moving along, of course, you do want to kind of improve your Fiverr presence and make your videos pop as much as you can. But if you have nothing to put in your portfolio, Canva is a great way to get you started. it will kind of like fill in the gap until you can get a better portfolio. But let me show you how to do that right now. All right, so here I am in Canva, and before I get started with the whole video, let me just remind you to like this video, subscribe to this channel for more great content about how to earn $100,000 or more on Fiverr. So in Canva, you can use the free version of Canva. You can use the pro version of Canva, which is like $130 a year. I do have the pro version. However, you don't have to have the pro version yet. When you're first starting, don't break the bank. Don't go into debt. Do what you can with the free stuff first, and then upgrade as you can afford it. To make the video first, you just click on this lovely purple button right here, create a design on the upper right hand corner, create a design, and then down to video. And then what I recommend you do first before you do anything is go ahead and actually upload the audio that you're going to be using. To do that, you just simply go to the upload section on the left-hand side, and then go to audio. So we've got images, videos, and audio. And then you can either drag the audio into this section and it'll just automatically upload itself, or you can just click on upload files and that'll get you to browse within the files that are on your computer. So go ahead and upload, pause the video while you upload, whatever. This is a tutorial. The audio that I have uploaded is actually like a car dealership commercial, and so I'm just going to pretend that it doesn't have a video that's associated to it. It actually does, but whatever, we're just going to make up our own video. So I noticed that, first of all, the timing for the video is 29 seconds, which means that I need to get all of the elements, all the pictures, all the videos that I'm going to be using in Canva to equal 29 seconds. It's really easy to do. So I'm just going to leave the audio just kind of sitting there while I get my elements. So to actually put in pictures, to put in video into your video, to create the pieces of your video, just go to Elements over on the left-hand side of Canva. There's Elements. And then, so for example, for like a car commercial, I'm sort of like just making up a car commercial to put into Fiverr, into my portfolio. I'm just going to search in Canva for car driving. That sounds good. And then what I want is actually photos rather than graphics. So I just simply click on photos, and I can put the photos into my video. So for example, if I want to use this one right here, I just simply drag it in, and there it is. Now, when I play it down here at the bottom, there's like a little play button. You'll see that this picture is lasting for 5 seconds. If I want to increase it to be longer than 5 seconds, I just simply use the double-headed arrow on the side, and I can just simply drag it out, or I can drag it in to make it shorter. I'm going to leave it right at 3 seconds. I think that's fine. And then maybe I want to go ahead and have a different picture. So I'll choose this picture. Okay. And again, I can change the timing if I want to. I'm just going to leave it at 5 seconds for this demonstration purpose. And then to see what it looks like, I just simply grab the slider, move it all the way to the beginning, and then when I hit play, I'll notice what it's going to look like. And the transition is just basically from one picture to another. If I want to add a transition that's like a little bit more, nifty, I just simply click on the little plus in between the two pictures, add a transition, add, and I can choose dissolve, slide, whatever I want to do. So I'm going to do dissolve. And then I can change the duration of the seconds. Like I can make it like a quicker or longer dissolve. I'll just leave it right at 7 seconds. And here, let's play it and see what it looks like. All right, let me go back to my elements because I need to add some more. Let's say that I go back to car driving and my photos. Let's say that I also want to add in this SUV. And I want to change the transition to slide. And then I want to add another picture. Go back to my elements. And this one's going to be more driving hands. And I add a transition. I'll do the color wipe. This is going to be a pretty obnoxious video here. All right, so let's go ahead and play it. We'll see what it looks like. Now, I would say it's like not exactly perfect. I don't think I would keep this picture in because it's definitely a European car with a European license tag. And I would want a more American looking car. But actually, I mean, there are some Americans who drive cars like that with license tags like that in the front. Usually it's BMWs or German cars that have, you know, Mercedes that have this license tag. But whatever, it's okay, it's fine. Now, to add a video, it's so simple. So all I do is I just go back over to my elements and I've got car driving, whatever you're searching for. And instead of photos right down here underneath the search bar, you just click on videos. Now, I do want to tell you this. If you have a video with this little crown, that means that's the pro version. And if you've got the free version of Canva, you can't use the pro videos, but that's okay. There's a ton of videos in here. That's the free version that will work. So these are all pretty long videos. I'm gonna choose maybe just car. Okay, and that's this one's 7 seconds. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this down. It's the same thing, just drag it in. And so this is for 7 seconds. Now let's add a transition. And I can see down here, like if I go ahead and play it, it's gonna look like. That's kind of nice. And I can see down here exactly how long the video is. So it's 22 seconds and I need to be right at 29 seconds or more. So let me just go ahead and add a couple more photos. Ooh. We'll do the Mercedes. Actually, I'm going to take this one out. So to take a video out or a picture out or whatever, you just click on the actual frame down here at the bottom and then just click on or tap delete on your keyboard. So I'm going to add this white car in. But I want the white car to be more like over here. So I just simply grab it, hold it down, and just move it. And there it is. And so, yeah, I like this white car, the white BMW. Okay, so it is a BMW, so let me see if I can find some more that are BMWs. Okay, no big deal. If I can't, this is just demonstration purposes. We'll use the Mercedes. And I've got 23 seconds down here. And we'll use this white car as well. Okay, and that's 29 seconds. So I'm just going to kind of just drag it, make it a little bit longer. Oh, that's 34 seconds. We don't want it. All right, and I have it at 30 seconds. Okay, so the next step is to go ahead and put my audio in. So I just make sure that I am over in the uploads area. Over here on the left, make sure you are in audio. And then I do recommend you do this because it's kind of like, this is a free software, so there's always like some glitches. Make sure that you've got your slider for the audio all the way dragged over to the beginning, or else like it's just kind of a mess and then you have to sort of fix it. So just make sure the slider's dragged all the way over to the left side to the beginning, and then you can go ahead and put in your audio and just simply drop it in. Just push it all the way to the beginning. At Inver Grove Toyota, the heights of Oh, sorry. And then you can hit your space bar to play it as well. You can either click on the play button or space bar will play it as well. So here's the total thing. At Inver Grove Toyota, the heights of customer service isn't just a slogan, it's the way we do business. All right. Here's also kind of just like a little pro tip about naming your audio files. And of course, this isn't just for like voiceover. I mean, this is if you do any kind of audio whatsoever. Here's my naming convention. I name it my name, Susan Fouché, and then I give it descriptors like, this is my cheerful voice, my thoughtful voice. And so I give it cheerful, thoughtful. Let's actually look at the file name. So cheerful, thoughtful, amiable car dealership .wave. So that's a great way to name your files, because that way when you're looking at them and you've got all of these like samples, like you got to a point where you've been doing this for a few years and you've got a lot of samples that you want to use, you can quickly go through and search in your samples and say like, I need a cheerful one. Boop, there it is. You got 5 that are cheerful or whatever. So this is a great way to name your files. I'm just after years and years and years of constantly looking for the right sample, and I know I have it and I can't find it, I finally just went ahead and started using this naming convention where it's your name, a few modifiers, cheerful, sad, morose, energetic, booming, authoritative, whatever, and then what the actual sample is. Car dealership, ad, whatever, DJ drop. Because there's samples that are specific to every industry. So just a little pro tip that you didn't think you were going to get, but you got. So to download this and put it in your Fiverr portfolio, all you're going to do is just share it. Let me just move my file over so you can see it. And you've got a share button over on the right-hand side. Just click on share. And then you're going to download down here at the bottom. Make sure you download it as an MP4. You've got a whole bunch of choices, but you do want the MP4. And then select the page that you want. You want all of them because these count as pages. All the little elements that you put in the video and the pictures and everything, those count as elements. So make sure that you do go ahead and, select all of that. Then just click on done. It will download it as a video, and then you can stick it into Fiverr. Let me give you one little tip also. In Fiverr, the maximum size of the image or the video is 50 megabytes. So the more videos you put in Canva in your video, the bigger they're going to be. So I do recommend just having maybe like one video element from Canva and then all the rest just be still images with the transitions, because video does get pretty big, and you don't want to go through all that work and then all of a sudden, oh my gosh, you can't even upload it to Canva. So you may just want to do like all still images rather than videos. Another thing that you're going to want to do in Fiverr to increase your chances of selling is by having PDFs. And of course, your PDFs you have 2 PDFs that you can use in Fiverr. To learn how to make amazing PDFs that will sell your services, you'll want to check out this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. To your success. Bye.